Alright guys, I'm in cool California looking at this pine tree that needs to be removed. It's gonna have to be dropped, but the only place we can let it drop is pretty much right through this little area right here. We got 2 oaks. It's probably gonna snap off some branches of both of them, but should be able to drop it right through the center and right down. It's gonna go. Got her down. I got the tree cut down and we got it cut up. I got half of it loaded, or maybe a quarter of it loaded into their trailer, and they took it to the dump or wherever they're taking to dump it. But I forgot some of my GoPro connections, so I couldn't really put it in the excavator. And one of my GoPros sucks. But what really sucks is this. This chainsaw is like one of the hardest ones to start, and then I break the pull cord to it. I like this chainsaw because it was free. The people that I'm working for today, like, I think it was like 6 years ago or something like that, somebody left this at the dump. And he brought it home and gave it to me because it's such a pain in the butt to start it. This thing's so hard to start. Sometimes I'll put my pickaxe through right here and stand on it and pull start it. Thing's super hard to start, but the thing works pretty good. So plan is I will bring these up top. I will load their trailer. I was gonna load it here, but the ground is so uneven. I don't want their whole trailer and truck twisting and everything. So we'll load the big stuff up there, and then the little stuff here, I'll just mash it all up and put it in their trailer. I dropped this thing right between these oaks, but it took out some of the branches. But, I mean, there's no other place to drop it. Couldn't drop it that way. It was leaning this way, so it was going to fall this way. They were worried about it hitting that, but that's so far away, the tree wouldn't reach. And there's obviously no way it would ever reach the barn. And it was never going to fall towards the house or the neighbors because it was leaning this way. But it's all right. It's gone now. It was pretty dead. Pretty brittle, too. Things hit the ground, they explode into little pieces. Pretty cool to see the rings on these trees though. I took most of the little stuff and I made a pile right there. We got all the last of the big pieces up here. So we'll load all this stuff and then we'll load that. And then we'll get out of here. All loaded up. I just loaded them up with the last of the logs from the tree. Now we just have this big pile here. Well, little pile. And then that's it. Time to load all this stuff up into the trailer.